Hi, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are fine and safe. Children, last week we learned patterns. In this week, we are going to learn about information processing. Unit 6 Information Processing. In this unit, we are going to learn about systematic listing, selection, collection of data. First, we are going to see systematic listing. Systematic list means writing all the possible solutions to a problems in a logical and organized way. Arun wants to reach the school from his house. One way is shown for you. List down all the other possible ways. Children, here already given one way. One way is shown. There are many possible ways to reach the school. Now we find the different ways to reach the school. Shall we list down the possible ways to reach the school? This is way 1, way 2, way 3, way 4, way 5 and way 6. There are 6 possible ways to reach the school. Now we learn about possible ways of pairing. Let us learn the number of ways of dressing oneself with the 2 shirts and 2 shorts. Here given green shirt and yellow shirt. Then red short and blue short. There are 4 ways to wear the dress. Way 1 is green shirt and blue short. Way 2 is yellow shirt, blue short. Way 3 is green shirt and red short. Way 4 is yellow shirt and red short. There are 4 ways of pairing. Next, selection. Selection of 2 numbers. Let us see the possible ways of keeping 4 custard apples in 2 baskets. Here we have 4 custard apples. Here we have 4 custard apples. One of the way is shown here. They have placed 2 custard apples in each basket. Next, see here number of ways and number of fruits. Way 1. Way 1 is we can place nothing in the basket 1. We can place 4 custard apples in the basket 2. Way 2 is we can place 1 custard apple in the basket 1. We can place 3 custard apples in the basket 2. Way 3 is we can place 2 custard apples in the basket 1. We can place 2 custard apples in the basket 2. Way 4 is we can place 3 custard apples in the basket 1. We can place 1 custard apple in the basket 2. Way 5 is we can place 4 custard apples in the basket 1. We can place 0 custard apples in the basket 2. Next, there are 2 pots. One with 10 red roses and another with 5 yellow roses in the garden. List down all the possible ways of choosing 10 flowers from the pots. There are two pots. First pot has 10 roses and second pot has 5 roses. First pot has 10 red roses and pot second has 5 yellow roses. We can choose 10 red roses from the pot 1. Way 1 is we can choose 10 red roses from the pot 1 and 0 yellow roses from the pot 2. So totally we get 10 roses. Way 2 is we can choose 9 red roses from the pot 1 and 1 yellow roses from the pot 2. Totally we get 10 roses. Way 3 is we can choose 8 red roses and 2 yellow roses. So totally we get 10 roses. Way 4 is we can choose 7 red roses from the pot 1 and 3 yellow roses from the pot 2. So totally we get 10 roses. Way 5 is we can choose 6 red roses from the pot 1 and 4 yellow roses from the pot 2. So totally we get 10 roses. Way 6 is we can choose 5 red roses from the pot 1 and 5 yellow roses from the pot 2. Totally we get 10 roses. Next, collection of data. Collection of data through measurement. Abhishek and his father visit a toy shop. His father promises to buy him a toy if he answers the questions correctly. Can you help him? Which toy is most in number? How many is that item? See this. Teddy bear is most in number. Teddy bear is most in number. Which toy is found to be least in the shop? Very good. Duck is least in the shop. Observe the height of the trees in the given picture and write the answer. What is this? Very good. Banana tree. Banana tree is 3 meters. Next, palm tree. Palm tree is 6 meters. Third one, mango tree. Mango tree is 4 meters. Fourth one, coconut tree. Coconut tree is 5 meters. First, what is the height in meter of the following trees? Banana tree is 3 meter. Palm tree is 6 meter. Mango tree is 4 meter. And coconut tree is 5 meter. Which is the tallest tree? Palm tree is the tallest tree. Which is the shortest tree? Banana tree. Name the tree which is 4 meter tall. Very good. Mango tree is 4 meter tall. Fifth one. Name the tree whose height is between 4 meters and 6 meters. Very good. Coconut tree. Children group themselves to take part in 3 different games. First game is running race. Second game is walking race. Third game is frog race. How many students like to take part in walking race? How many students take part in walking race? Very good. 4 girls and 2 boys. 2 boys and 4 girls. Second one, How many students like to take part in frog race? Frog race. 4 boys, 4 girls. How many students like to take part in running race? 6 boys and 7 girls. Fourth question. Which game is played by maximum number of children? Which game? Very good. Running race. Running race is played by maximum number of children. How many girls are there in both walking race and frog race? How many girls? Very good. Walking race played by 4 girls and frog race played by 4 girls. Totally 8 girls. Sixth one. Which game is played by minimum number of children? Which game? Very good. Walking race. So, walking race is played by minimum number of children. How many students play the game walking race and running race in total? So, walking race totally how many students played? 6 students. Running race 13 students. Totally we get 19 students. Okay children. Thank you.